Hi friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video I will tell you and also show you how you can fix screen flicker on iPhone. Don't forget friends to subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes, and please write your comments after watching. So let's get down to this topic. If you notice that your iPhone screen starts flickering for some reason, then friends, there could be several reasons for that, and I will show you what you can do. First of all, friends, I recommend you to try to reboot your iPhone. In order for you to do this, press the mute button and also the shutdown button, which is on the right side at the same time. Press and hold until you see the iPhone's shutdown button. And then swipe to the right side of the screen to turn off your iPhone. After rebooting, friends, many problems and errors on iPhone can be fixed. So this is very enough such a good and effective method. If this didn't help you, then I recommend you to check your iOS update on your iPhone. To do this, open the Settings, General, then Update. And here, if you see that your iPhone needs iOS system update, then please update your iPhone. Also, if you, let's say, dropped your iPhone accidentally not too long ago, or maybe it was underwater for a very long time, or it got some moisture on it, then that can also be the reason why your iPhone screen is flickering. In such a case, I recommend you to take your iPhone to a service center. Also, friends, I recommend you to try to disable auto brightness on your iPhone. To do this, please go to Accessibility. Please scroll down, and here you'll find the Display section. Now scroll down to the very bottom, and here you can see the Auto Brightness Adjustment. You can turn it off, or on the contrary try to turn it on. This may help in solving your problem. Sometimes flickering can occur because of the strong brightness of the screen. If, say, the above methods did not help you, then I recommend that you take your iPhone to a service center or repair where you can and will provide more professional help. Perhaps something happened to your screen or the sensor, so there is such a flicker. I hope, dear friends, that this video helped you and was useful. Don't forget to put likes and be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.